Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is, each wheel of a car is of diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometers per hour? So what is given? The diameter of the wheel is given, and we have to find out the complete revolution it makes in 10 minutes when the speed is given. So we know here the distance covered in one revolution. What is the distance covered in one revolution? Is the circumference of the wheel. So distance, we'll find the distance covered in one revolution, that is pi into d, that is the circumference. Pi is 22 by 7 and d is 80, which is given. So this will come out as 1760 divided by 7 centimeter. Now what is given? Time is given 10 minutes and speed is given, that is 66 kilometer per hour. Now we know that here the speed is in per hour and the time is in minutes. So we will change the minutes into hours and we will divide 10 by 60. It will become hour. Fine. Now we will find the distance covered in 10 by 60 hour. How much distance it is covering in these many hours. So what is the formula for distance? Distance is speed into time, right? What is the speed? 66 and time is 10 by 60. That is 11 kilometer. This has come in kilometer, but here the distance is in centimeter. So we will change this kilometer to centimeter. So when we change the kilometer into centimeter, look here, milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. We are at kilometer and we have to come to centimeter. We have to go up. So we multiply. So we will multiply it by 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros? 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. So this is 11, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 centimeter. So this is the total distance in 10 minutes. Now we have to find number of revolutions made to cover these many distance, right? So let the number of revolution be, let the number of revolution to cover 11,000,000 centimeter be n, right? So we have assumed the number of revolutions to be n. So we know total distance covered in n revolution. It will be n into distance in one revolution, right? So n into 1760 by 7. This is the total distance covered, and this total distance has to be equal to this distance, right? So we'll find, then only we will find the number of revolution. So 1760 by 7 is equal to 11,000,000, right? So what will be n? It will be 11,000 total distance divided by 1760 by 7, because this is multiply, it goes here and it becomes divide. Now this thing you can simply even do, this was to explain you that total distance covered in n revolution is n into distance in one revolution, which has to be equal to the distance we have found in 10 minutes. Now simply you can do number of revolution is what? Total distance by distance in one revolution. You can directly do this also. Total distance by distance in one revolution. So you will find the total distance in 10 minutes and that you will divide by distance in one revolution. You will get number of revolution. Why we do so? This is the reason why we do so, that the total distance covered in n revolution is n into distance in one revolution, which has to be equal to the distance we have found out, right? So n is 11,000,000 by 1760, and 7 goes on the top. This 0 gets cancelled. This is 10000, and this is 10000, and this is 1 and 16, right? So that will come out to be yours 4375 revolution. When you will solve this thing, 10,000 divided by 16 multiplied by 7 will be 4375 revolution. So how we do it? To find number of revolution, find the total distance covered in 10 minutes by the formula of speed, distance and time, and divide it by distance covered in one revolution. So you will get this to number of revolutions made in